And it's not just the Congress. This is the entire India bloc now demanding that Home Minister Amit Shah take back his comments or step down from the cabinet. You had this mega protest also in the national capital as Arvind Kejriwal hit the streets of Delhi, staging a protest outside Amit Shah's residence. You see those images there. Amit Shah, Atishi, the Delhi chief minister, as well as, in fact, Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal there, seated on a dharna, refusing to move. These were scenes outside Amit Shah's residence as protests continue by the India bloc against Amit Shah. Massive portrait of Ambedkar that was held up by Arvind Kejriwal as they pushed for, in fact, a resignation from Amit Shah or that he issue an apology for the comments that he's made. And you're seeing these kind of protests happening across the country right now. Arvind Kejriwal himself out there on the streets of the national capital demanding that Amit Shah apologize for his comments. He's also attacked Prime Minister Modi for defending Amit Shah amid this political fight. Listen into what Kejriwal had to say.
अमित शाह जी ने बाबा साहब अंबेडकर का अपमान किया, करोड़ों लोगों की भावनाएं आहत हुई हैं। मैं खुद व्यक्तिगत तौर पे उनको अपना आदर्श मानता हूं, लेकिन आज जिस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री जी अमित शाह जी के समर्थन में उतर आए, उससे ऐसा लगता है कि जो कल अमित शाह जी ने कहा था वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की एक सोची हुई रणनीति थी, जिसके तहत संसद में बाबा साहब अंबेडकर का अपमान किया गया।
So we'll continue tracking all the updates that come in on the big war of words over Ambedkar that's playing out right now in the country.